CloudTouch supports high-quality casting using the Airstream app or the switch. It also supports casting the CloudTouch back to your device, annotating on the screen, and much more. To get started, click on the Cast button to open the Airstream application. Here you have details of your meeting and also the instructions on how to cast. You have the option to change the meeting room name. So you can name it Meeting Room A, Classroom B, and so on as per your requirement. This makes casting to the right device much easier. There's an option to enable pin code. You can see it on top of the page and you can hide it if you want. This helps to allow only the people in the meeting room to cast. In a real-life meeting room, most people will have different devices. Windows laptops, MacBooks, Android phones, iPads. And the CloudTouch allows you to cast multiple devices on the single screen simultaneously. For instance, you can cast a Windows laptop and a MacBook via the Airstream app or the switch. Now while your meeting is going on, you can zoom in one of the screens and go back. Simultaneously, you can also cast using your phone via the Airstream app or AirPlay. And while all of this is happening, you can cast the whole experience on your laptop via the Airstream app, annotate on top of it to make a point. While multicast is a brilliant feature that allows you to present wirelessly from one CloudTouch device to multiple CloudTouch devices in different rooms at the same time. With CloudTouch, your meeting rooms have transformed from exchanging messy cables to a wireless collaborative environment.